to my channel and thanks for tuning in. My name is Aya. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new viewer, soon to be subscriber, welcome. I hope you're gonna subscribe, right? Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a shopping haul for you guys. I bought a few cute items from Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova, and FEMME LUXE, and I just wanted to share my shopping cart with you guys. Basically, I usually do like makeup tutorials and stuff like that, but I'm definitely trying to step out my comfort zone, so I'm here with a fashion haul for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video and the feedback that I have for you for the items that I tried on in this video. So I'm gonna get right into this video. Enough rambling. So for this hot orange set, I got it in, the top is a size 8. I am usually a size 8 top and bottom. But for this, when I ordered size 8 in the skirt, it was really big, especially because it's like super duper stretchy. So I went back on the website and I ordered a size 6, and as you guys can see, it's still like really stretchy. So if you're gonna get this, I do highly recommend sizing down for the skirt, but the top fits perfect and yeah, it's really comfortable. The fabric is not thick, but it's definitely super stretchy. So okay, so this is the lime green set. Same thing, size 8 for the top, size 6 for the skirt. Also same material, super stretchy for the skirt. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so these jeans I got from Fashion Nova. They're high-waisted dark denim jeans, and they're on the bottom, they're flared, so they definitely like hug onto the body like really nicely. They're not even super thick, but they're definitely like comfortable. This is what they look like. So this is the next top that I got. I got this from Pretty Little Things. I do believe that it's an off-the-shoulder top. I think I'm wearing it correctly. So this, I guess you could push it down and it can be like that, but it doesn't come all the way to here, so that's why I just prefer to push it up to kind of give it like a ruffled look. I think it's cute. It won't give you like that push-up kind of look, but it's pretty okay for me. So, and it has elastic support all around the shirt, on the bottom and the top, on the back, and I like this. It's really cute. Okay, so this is the next top that I got. Don't mind the noise that's outside, guys, because I live in New York and there's like ice cream trucks everywhere right now. But this is the next top that I got. Super duper cute. I think this is my favorite purchase actually, because I've been eyeing this top for so long. The only reason why I didn't get it because I kind of have like a lot of boobs, or I think I do. And I wasn't sure if it would support my boobs or not, because it was just like strings basically in the back. It's backless, like it's just strings. So I'm like, I don't know, should I get this? And I got it, and I absolutely love it. I got it in a size 8. I think it comes in 2 colors. I think I'm gonna end up getting the other color also, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is what the back looks like. This I got from FEMME LUXE. I feel like you could definitely I think you could wear a bra under this. I would try to wear a bra under this because I would like some support, some push. But other than that, it's cute. It has like 3 little buttons, but it doesn't have a zipper or anything, so you definitely do have to put it over your head. And the middle of the back is elastic, so that's what stretches the shirt out to get it through your head. This one runs true to size. I wear medium, and I think I got this in a medium or a US 6. I don't know, her sizes on her website are a little confusing, but I got my true size basically. So yeah, so this top I got from Fashion Nova. It is a top that you like snap on like that into the hooks, but this shirt is a little see-through, but I wouldn't wear it with a bra. So I feel like you could wear it off the shoulder like this. When I wore it the other day, I wore it simple just like this. Yeah, it's pretty cute. You could pair it with like white pants, or you could also pair it with some jeans. And when I wore it with some jeans. Super duper cute and simple. Yeah. So the next item that I got is from Fashion Nova. It's these white, long, dressy, wide-legged pants. But I do love these pants. The only thing is that they are see-through. So yeah, if you're gonna wear these pants, definitely proceed with caution for the underwear part. So the next item that I got is this patent leather skirt from Pretty Little Things. Super duper cute. This is my first patent leather item. The sides are like bitch, giving me curves, but the only thing is that back here is just like doesn't go into my back. It's just open basically, and I don't like that. So before I wear this skirt, I would definitely tailor it. The inside of the skirt is padded, so it's not like patent leather rubbing on your skin. And to put on the skirt, the zipper is right here on the side, so you just zip it down, pull it up, and put it on. This, if you want the skirt to appear tighter, you just, I guess you could just like pull here, make it tighter and tie it or whatever. But super duper cute. I like it. I'm not super disappointed. I wanted to return it, but it's just like, you know, everything won't be perfect or whatever, but other than the spacing in the back, it runs pretty true to size. So this is the next item that I got. This top, I got it from Pretty Little Things. It's crop top, so it stops like right above my belly button. It doesn't really, it has an elastic band right here, but it doesn't give your boobs like push-up support, so that's that. But I like this. It's cute, it's simple, and yeah. So this is my next item. It's a two-piece set, tube top and skirt. I got this from FEMME LUXE in a size 8. My only thing is it kind of looks like it's two different pieces from two different sets, just because the way that I guess the like lines are aligned. I wish that this was aligned more here so it would go symmetrical with here. I guess that's not a big deal. It has a split right here on the side, so you get some leg exposure. It's definitely true to size, and it's definitely form hugging. Only thing is it's see-through. I'm gonna push the skirt down a little so you guys can see the shape of the tube top. So this is the shape of the tube top. That's what it looks like, and yeah. This two-piece set is from Fashion Nova. I love this. The only thing is the top is a little loose, so it doesn't really give you so much support here for the boobs if you decide not to wear a bra. So if I wear this, I would definitely be wearing a bra. And it zips up here on the side, but you do have to put it through your head. The zipper is from bottom to up, and it just has this little tie, so I took advantage of that to like help snug up the shirt, especially for my waistline area. Other than that, it's cute. For the pants, the pants stops probably like 4 to 5 inches above my ankles, and yeah, I like this. I'm gonna go to brunch with this. It's cute. So this piece I got from Fashion Nova. It's a tube top spandex dress, really stretchy. So I did size down. I'm usually a size medium, but I got a size small, and it fits super duper perfect. I would recommend sizing down if you're looking for it to be like super snug to your body. But also FYI heads up, it is definitely super duper see-through. Pull it down. Yeah, stops right below my ankles. It stops right below my kneecaps. Why did I say ankles earlier? It stops right below my kneecaps, and yeah, I got it from Fashion. So next up is this dress. It's definitely stretchy. It's not true to size because I wear a medium and I ordered a small, but that when I seen this dress, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna size down, especially because it's spandex, so I was hoping it would fit more snug, and it definitely does. And yeah, I'm gonna put the yellow one on and show you guys. So this is what the yellow one looks like. Super duper cute, fun summer color. Spandex material also in a size small. If I wasn't sure that the extra small would be too small, I would have even probably, okay, no, I'm pushing it. I was gonna say I was gonna try to get an extra small, but I think that's pushing it. But this fits perfect either way. It definitely hugs the form, as you guys can see. But this one is also a little see-through. Honestly, you can't go wrong with this dress though. Like, this dress is definitely perfect for everything. Like, so this next item I got from Pretty Little Things. It's like a t-shirt dress. However, I wouldn't wear it by itself like this because one, it is definitely see-through. I don't really care for the top being like see-through up here, but for the bottom purposes, that's definitely why I wouldn't wear it by itself. So right now I'm just wearing some white spandex shorts. Most likely the day I decide to wear this, I'm definitely probably gonna pair it with some short denim shorts. But other than that, it's cute, and it has two pockets right here. I think they're like kind of like in an awkward position, but I don't know, I wouldn't use the pockets honestly. And the material of the shirt is really nice. It says it's 100% polyester, but it feels like it's really soft for like polyester material. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, show me some love down below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section also. And don't forget that all the items in this video will be listed in the order that I wore them down below in the description bar. I also do have makeup tutorials on my channel, so be sure to check that out. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. If you don't see me in my next video, it's because you didn't subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoy.